Nói chung sẽ là nó bị nó kia đồ mong cho bé tao cả okay. Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you about some Hmong language so you can use in your daily life. Cú sa no mo means that I want to eat rice or I want to have, like breakfast, lunch or dinner. And cú sa, cú means I, sa means I want, sa means want, and also means like think, I think or I want. No more, no means no means eat. Yeah, eat rice or something like that. More means rice, or even like means like food.
A meal.
So yeah, and it's just kind of like a meal, like when you say more, and it means food for you, like it means meal for you, like either for like dinner, for breakfast, lunch, and whatever like you want to eat, just say it. So the Hmong people, they will understand you. Okay, and the other sentence, cú cú la la nhó, cú kinh kinh nhó, cú la la nhó, cú la la means cú means I, la la means I bored, I get bored of staying in the house, like, and you say cú la la nhó che, I get very bored to stay in the house. Okay, that's all for today. I'm going to I will record another video to you next time. So I think this I think you will learn something from this clip.